Good morning, students. In today's topic, we will talk about the computer network. A computer network is nothing but it is a connection between different computers, or we can say the different computers are connected through some transmission media, maybe wired or wireless, so that we can transfer the information from one computer to another computer. In the formal definition, we can say computer network is a set of nodes like computers and networking devices that are connected through communication media for the purpose of communication and sharing the resources. The resources may be hardware resources or software resources. तो बेसिक डेफिनेशन हो गया. The computer network is a network of computer, or we can say large number of computers are interconnected through some transmission media. What is the different advantage of this computer network or benefits of computer network is? We will start from first point. It facilitate the communication through email, video conferencing, instant messaging, or any other mode. So the basic meaning is we can communicate from one computer or node to another computer or node through this computer network. Second benefit is we can share the hardware devices like printer or scanner. In this concern, we can take the example of a lab. In a lab, suppose there are 10 computers, and if there is no connection between these 10 computers, means each one is independent, then we have to install a printer with each computer, so that the individual user sitting on the system can take the printout. And the other solution will be we can make the network of computers in the lab and install a printer at some central point, and all the users will take the printer from this printer connected to the network. Third is we can share the files. As we are sharing the hardware device, we can also share the files or software or operating systems. And the last one is we can share the information. Information may be in the form of textual, image, audio, video, or any other format. We can share the information. What are the different disadvantages of computer network? The disadvantage is the lack of robustness, security issue, or cost of network. Means any intruder or malicious user can misuse the information that are being sent from one system to another system. So this is the basic definition of computer network. Next, we will discuss the type of computer networks. The first type of computer network is personal area network, or PAN. It is the smallest network. We can say it is basically used for communication between two or three mobile device or PC for personal purpose. So this is the smallest network. Then is a local area network for limited area within a building. Then third type is the metropolitan area network, or MAN. The area will be within a city. Then fourth one is the wide area network, or WAN. This is within a multiple cities, state, or countries. Means PAN is the smallest network. Then LAN is higher than PAN, MAN is higher than LAN, and WAN is the largest network. We will discuss one by one these type of networks. Yes, first is the PAN, personal area network. Yes, it is spread in the proximity of an individual covers an area of few meters radius. It can be set up using the guided media or USB cable or unguided media or Bluetooth infrared. It is controlled and managed by a single person. So we can say, suppose in a room there are 4 persons and they want to share the file with each other. Then a person, these 4 persons can connect their mobile device through the Bluetooth technology or infrared technology. So when they are connected, they can share the information. So this is the smallest network, and we can say this is the safest network. We can say if all the 4 persons are if the 4 persons are friends, otherwise there will be a threat also in this personal area network. A network of devices such as computer, phone, MP3, MP4, players, camera, etc. transferring song from one cell phone to another is a fan of 2 phones transferring files from PC to an MP3 player, or fan. So personal area network is nothing but a very small area network within a room or within a proximity of an individual, and we can say it is controlled by a single person. And the use of this personal network is very limited, and it may be safe or may not be safe. Next is the local area network, and the area of local area network is larger than the personal area network. We can say we can connect the computers in a building with the help of a LAN. So for disconnecting these computers within a building, we can use different type of topologies like star, mesh, bus, token. These are the different type of topology we can use in LAN, local area network. What is the different characteristics of a LAN? Is a private network, means no need of regulatory control, operate at a relatively high speed. The speed of transfer of data in LAN is very high. Different media access control is used in this, like Ethernet, token, and connect the computers in a single building block or campus. What is the advantage of LAN? Resource sharing. We have already discussed. Software application sharing, easy and cheap communication, centralized data and data security, internet sharing. And the disadvantage of LAN is high speed, high setup cost, privacy violation, data security threat. LAN maintenance job covers limited area. So we can say what are the different disadvantages. The setup cost, or means building a LAN is costly procedure. Then there may be the privacy violations. We can say the data can be compromised, and the data security threat. LAN maintenance is also the major disadvantage. And the other disadvantage is the limited area. The LAN is used in a limited area within a building or a small room or campus. Example is a network office, buildings, school or home. Sometimes one building can contain a few small LANs. Means in a building we can use a single LAN, or we can make the different size LAN and they can be connected with each other. This is all about the LAN. Next. computer network is the MAN, metropolitan area network. This is the size of the MAN is larger than the LAN. The LAN, as we have discussed, is limited to a building, but the MAN is it can spread within a city. It covers an area of few kilometers to a few hundred kilometer radius. So we can say the MAN, metropolitan area, is limited to a city, and we can set up the MAN using a guided media or unguided media owned and operated by a government body or a large corporations. And the example is a network of schools or banks or a government office within a city. So एक सिटी में जितने भी आपकी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस हैं, बैंक्स हैं, वो इंटरकनेक्टेड हो सकते हैं किसकी हेल्प से? मैन की हेल्प से. A man is usually found by interconnected in large number of LANs or individual computers. The next is the wide area network. The wide area network is the area is larger than the MAN, and we can say WAN is the largest network that can be used within a country or within a continent. Slightly more complex than LAN, and WAN connect computers across the longer physical distances. The internet is the most basic example of WAN. So what is the example of WAN? Is the internet connecting all the computers together around the world. Because of a WAN's vast reach, it is typically owned and maintained by a single person or owners. What are the different characteristics of a WAN? It covers the largest distances, state, countries or continents. Different communication media like satellite, public telephone, network, etc. and router are used to establish the connections. So the communication media may be satellite, public telephone network or routers. A network of ATM, banks, national government offices, international organization offices, etc. spread over a country, content or covering many content. So the smallest network is the PAN, personal area network, and the largest network is the wide area network. When we make the networking between the computers within a building, it basically use the concept of LAN. When we want to connect the computer within a city, when we want to connect the one computer with another computer within a city, so this will use the concept of MAN. And we want to send a message from one country to another country, so there will be use of WAN, wide area network. This is all about the computer network.